Good morning students. Welcome to this science class. As you know students, the chapter chemical reactions and equations has been completed. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is acids, bases and salts. Students, it is very important and interesting chapter. So let's start. You know students, 118 different elements are known to us at present. These elements combine to form a large number of compounds. Students, on the basis of their chemical properties, all the compounds can be classified into three groups: acids, bases and salts. Okay? Students, in this chapter we will study all three types of compounds: acids, bases and salts. So let's start. First of all, we will discuss about acids. The word acids derived from Latin word acidus. Students, which means sour, khata. We can say students ki now properties of acids. Acids are sour in taste and turn blue litmus to red, dissolve in water to release H plus ion. Okay? क्या है? वाटर में डिसॉल्व करने पर क्या देते हैं? H plus ion. Clear students? For example, vinegar, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, okay, oxalic acid. Clear? Now students, types of acids. Types of acids. Students, on the basis of occurrence, acids are of two types. First, natural acids, and second, mineral acids. Students, natural acids are weak acids. Acids which are obtained from natural sources are called natural acids. Clear? For example, students, oxalic acid किसमें मिलता है? ये टमाटर में, टोमेटो में. ओके? सिट्रिक एसिड. क्लियर? एंड CH3COOH, ये भी किससे मिलता है हमको? विनेगर से. एसिटिक, ठीक है, एसिटिक एसिड. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, मिनरल एसिड. व्हाट इज मिनरल एसिड्स? स्टूडेंट्स, मिनरल एसिड आर स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड्स एंड वी कैन से कि एसिड्स that are prepared from minerals are known as mineral acids. Students, for example, man-made or synthetic acids are also known as mineral acids. Clear? Except to carbonic acid, H2CO3. कार्बोनिक एसिड भी कैसा होता है? वीक एसिड. इसको छोड़कर सभी मिनरल एसिड कैसे होते हैं? स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल H2SO4, HCl, HNO3, all are mineral acids. Clear? Now friends, classification of acids on the basis of strength. ये किसके बेस पर था? अकरेंस के बेस पर. और स्ट्रेंथ के बेस पर भी कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं? 2 टाइप्स के. फर्स्ट, strong acid, second weak acid. What is strong acids? Students, you know the acids which are completely ionized in water are called strong acid. HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. Okay, completely ionized in water are called strong acid. You can see here students, HCl dissolve in water. एक्वा सॉल्यूशन लेंगे हम इसका और क्या करेंगे, डिसॉल्व H प्लस आयन एंड Cl माइनस आयन. HCl डिसॉल्व इन वाटर, कंप्लीटली आयोनाइज हो जाता है किसमें, वाटर में डिसॉल्व होने के बाद H प्लस आयन और Cl माइनस आयन. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? दिस H प्लस आयन डिसॉल्व इन वाटर to give hydronium ion. Clear students? Strong acids and now weak acids. Students, the acids which are ionized to only small extent are called weak acids. For example, CH3 COOH क्या हमारा वीक एसिड. क्लियर? CH3 डिसॉल्व इन वाटर, एक्वा सॉल्यूशन लेंगे इसका और क्या होगा, टू गिव CH3 COO माइनस एंड H प्लस आयन. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? आई होप you have understood types of acids. In next video, I will explain bases. Have a nice day, friends.